I'm applying for so many jobs. I'm not even getting a reply for any of them. I am so frustrated.
Does this line sound familiar to you? If your answer was a yes, you're at the right place. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share some insights on how you should approach your job search. Instead of blindly applying for jobs, you need to have a strategy when you do that. And we are going to cover some points that you should include as part of your job search. Now, the most important area here is networking. Networking is the most guaranteed way of getting your application shortlisted for an interview. This is because applying via a referral is always better than applying directly. Now, recruiters usually prefer candidates who are referred internally by their employees, and also some of the positions are not even advertised as well. In this scenario also, having a connection in that company can get you a job. So there are 3 platforms that I would recommend in growing your connections. Number 1 is Meetup. Now, Meetup is a great app where you can be a part of different groups. I have personally attended Meetup not only for my professional purposes, but I have also attended meetups related to topics such as dance, fitness, etc. I've attended both in-person and online meetups. Now, this is a great app that you can use for growing your connections. The second one is Lunch Club. Lunch Club is an AI-based platform that connects users having common interests. There's usually a 1:1 consultation. So you can utilize Lunch Club in not only growing your connections, but also for increasing your confidence as well. And the third one is, of course, LinkedIn. You can send connection requests with a custom message, be a part of different professional groups, and gradually increase your connections and increase your chances also of getting referred to a company. Now, there are many other platforms out there which can help you in networking, but I have personally experienced the power of the ones that I mentioned. Now, networking can also be instrumental if you're trying for a career change. I plan to do a video about this topic also in the future. To receive a notification, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The second area is keep your CV and your LinkedIn up to date. Whenever you're applying for a job, make sure you align your CV, your LinkedIn, your cover letter as per the things that are mentioned in the job description. Make sure you have all those key skills covered. I have made a video on helping you with your LinkedIn and CV. You can see a pop-up on the right-hand side of the screen. The third area is build your skills. Now, you can build your skills by doing different hands-on projects, by attending boot camps, by attending a lot of certifications. Make sure you build your confidence by doing a lot of extra work apart from the professional work that you're given, and then you add them to your CV and also showcase your work in LinkedIn. There is nothing bad in showcasing your work. You need to sell yourself. That's how recruiters will connect to you, and that's how your other connections will also be interested in the kind of work that you do. Now, the next area is use job portals extensively. Now, job portals are just not there to list job ads, but usually a lot of job portals have a lot of extra features that you can take advantage of. I'm going to mention some of the examples here. Number 1 is Naukri. Naukri.com caters to a lot of job ads in India. And there's this one feature that I really liked where you can message recruiters directly. Now, make sure you don't spam them. Have a template in place where you mention about your key skills, mention about some of the projects that you have done, etc. Then there's this second portal that I have utilized, which is Glassdoor. I have used Glassdoor to check some of the feedback from their employees to know about the work culture of that particular company and also get the ratings of a particular company as well. Now, there are 2 websites that cater to a lot of job ads across a lot of countries, Indeed and Seek as well. I have utilized their career advice page to get access to a whole lot of tutorials on improving my interview preparation and also getting to know some of the skills that are in demand for a particular role title. Then LinkedIn Premium as well. I remember during my job search time, I utilized a free trial of LinkedIn Premium. I had access to LinkedIn Learning. I also got to know about salary insights of a particular role, how I stand as compared to other employees or other applicants that were actually applying for that job. And there was access to a whole lot of advanced search queries, and I also utilized the InMail feature where I could directly speak to any user even if they were not a connection. So these are some features that are already available for you to take use of when you're searching for jobs. So make sure you utilize all these features extensively. And the final area is prepare for your interviews. I know the importance of mock interviews and how they can help you in getting rid of nervousness and also getting you prepared before your real interviews. Did you know that there are platforms where you can actually practice live interviewing before your real interviews? Number one is Pramp. Pramp offers you live interviewing with fellow job seekers and you also get feedback. There is a section to practice for behavioral interviews as well. Second one is InterviewBit. You get these practice questions and also advice on how you can answer those questions. In some cases, there is an added USP of getting referrals also to companies. The third one is interviewing. Interviewing also offers anonymous practice with actual professionals. And the next one is Interview Buddy. Now, Interview Buddy is mostly meant for people who are in the tech industry, where you can connect with a lot of professionals with rich experience across the industry and practice live interviewing and get feedback. So most of these platforms that I mentioned here are free, and I would highly recommend you taking advantage of these platforms to boost your confidence and also improve before your real interviews. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope the strategy and all the platforms that were mentioned would be beneficial for your job search. Thank you. The content shared in this video is based on personal experience and research. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching, keep listening, and continue learning.